Tornado drill time. Statewide tornado drill. It's about 6:45 right now. What? Yeah, the weather radio went off for it. That's what signaled it. It's 1:45 when I was working this afternoon, and this one now. So, if it were real, I'd be down that corner there, in the position, head tucked under my hands, or yeah, kind of hard to describe, but I'd be in that position. You hear it. Definitely not be near walking near the garage door though, if this were real. I mean, preferably we could even go in the mechanical room too. That'd be pretty good. Just go under the stairs there. Yeah, definitely would not be this quiet if this were real. You'd hear a lot of other stuff. Thunder, rain, wind, possibly, stuff falling, breaking. And you hear the tornado sirens like you're hearing. And we'd probably be in the dark too. We'd have the emergency lights. We've got this one here, and then the other one over there on the other side of the electrical panel. This is the mechanical room door, whoops. Yeah, we'll stay down here until the sirens stop. That signifies the end of the drill. So it just went off for a test there, rather than a real tornado warning. They used to do it, activate it. When they'd activate the radios for the drill, they would activate it as a tornado warning, but for the last 5 years now, they've done it using the weekly test instead. They run for like 5 minutes, I think. Cause it's 6:50 now. Dinner's getting cold up there, but yeah, if it's a real, that'd be the least of my worries. That would be the least of my worries. I'll clean out the garage here. We'll do some of that this weekend. I already started on that. Typically most tornadoes, not most, but I wouldn't say most, but quite a few. Oh, there it goes. The tornadoes are shutting down. So that indicates the end of the drill. You can go back upstairs. But yeah. Turn this light off. Still hear the radio up here. Yeah, I mean, I literally forgot about it until the guy on the radio said, "Oh, this tornado thing's gonna go off at 6:45 for the tornado drill." I said, "Oh yeah, that's right." So, well, a little bit of other weather upstairs, just because. In the bedroom. Flashing advisory, but the real tornado warning, and the warning light would be flashing instead of the advisory light. But like I said, they don't use the tornado warning code for the drills anymore, the tornado drills. Let's see, it's about 8 minutes to 7 there. So yeah. That concludes the tornado drill.